We said in previous lectures that one can realize the real way to become silent is to become the potentiality of that which you are and accept what I tell you, that you're perfectly safe. The past doesn't mean diddly, the future isn't here, and in the present nothing's going on. So there's another way, and that is by reflection, inner reflection. By inner reflection, one will begin to realize that the mind is silent at all times. If the mind were not silent, you wouldn't know that you were thinking anything. Because it's against the background of silence that you think you experience a thought. The mind itself then is the field in which thought occurs. It's the silence, the backdrop of silence. And we'll explain thoughts a little bit later, but thoughts, just prior to a thought, is where you'll notice the silence. This silence can be noticed no matter what you're doing. As I'm talking right now, the mind is really in a field of silence, so that I'm listening to what's being said. I haven't the slightest idea. People say, what are you going to talk about? How would I know what I'm going to talk about? Tell us what you're going to talk about. They want 3 paragraphs sent to their church to announce what you're going to talk about. How would I know what they're going to talk about? I can make a presumption, so I send them some wild thing. I don't want to tell them the truth, that I have the slightest idea. I hear it at the same time you do.